everybody for us tier ripping 4 boxes of 2020 Bowman Jumbo for Jeffrey H. Thanks, Jeffrey. Best of luck, man. So paper base doesn't ship, but we'll find Dominguez and find Dominguez paper, really. Dominguez and Witt. Light blue, Christian Javier to 499. Different Jason B. Different Jason B. Pena Chrome. Yeah, seriously. You're losing right now.
I get it.
Dude, these cards are so clean. Maybe it's because there's too many cards. Maybe that's what it is. Bowman Chrome's coming out, though. Bowman Chrome has a great amount of cards in it. Jacob Amaya, first Bowman Refractor Auto to 499. Nice hit on the Amaya. There you go, Jeffrey. Good start. Come on. Baltimore Orioles. What do they do now? Hidden finds of Cedric Mullins.
Oh, no.
Refractor is Bryson Stott to 499. You can save any autos and numbered stuff for a recap. This is going to be a minute.
Oh, recapping this?
Yeah. Like 30 minutes. Jeffrey, if you're watching at this point, you want to just see a recap, just go to the end of the video. If you're watching after the fact, still be a quick recap. But the cards cleaning together makes this a long break. Purple paper. Oh no, purple paper. Purple chrome auto. It's 250 is Thomas Dillard. Witt paper. I think Anthony's not here right now.
Huh?
I think Anthony's not here right now. Because they got you know who in here. Yeah, can't be having any of that right now. Volpe Chrome.
So you only talking to lower voice because you don't want to wake the baby.
Yeah, can't wake him up, dude. Aqua Shimmer is Daz Cameron to 125. First Bowman auto, Luis Patino. All right. Speckle first Bowman auto, Ben Bramer to 299. Duran, De La Cruz. Okay, come on now. Let's see some nice color 2020. Come on. Needed Dominguez. Number Dominguez. Purple paper to 250, Marco Luciano. Blue coming up. True Blue, Shane Baz to 150. Yeah, chat definitely slowed down. Everyone's going back to work tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
Come on, come on. Wit paper. This is a tough box so far. Hoping for something big here, Jeffrey. Got a base auto of Lenzi Delgado. Hoping the third auto in this one is huge. Gold Shimmer. Come on, Gold Shimmer. First Bowman auto, Jeremy Pena. 47 of 50. Congrats, Jeffrey. There we go, man. Gorgeous Pena Gold Shimmer. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. See, there he is, Sean. There he is.
There he is. That'll do right there, boy. That'll do, little donkey. That'll do.
I was talking about that. Come on, Anthony.
I must have spoke too loud and he woke up.
Yeah, we woke him up. We were talking too loud. Tony Gonsolin to 499.
Damn it.
Rookie light blue for the Dodgers.
Oh, we're going to have a peaceful night, dude.
It's never peaceful anymore. Sam gets all these people riled up.
Yep.
And they come in here and just be like that all the time.
Just ruin it for everybody.
No rules, man. Sam is definitely an inmate trying to run the prison. That's for sure.
You know what, boys? I'm the warden. You better tighten up.
And one of the better autos to hit is Jeremy Pena. Light blue, Jonathan India to 499 on the paper. Yeah, Zach's chill. Thank goodness. Got to keep some sort of balance around here. Aqua, Taylor Trammell to 125. Anthony is not chill. Volpe paper. First Bowman auto is Jackson Rutledge. Dominguez paper. We got a big card coming here. Another one. Let's see another one. Let's go Casas, 8-game hit streak. Purple Ronaldo Hernandez at a 250. Speckle first Bowman auto Joe Ryan at 299. It's pretty solid there. Joe Ryan first Bowman auto. Atomic insert is to 150 Miguel Amaya. If I do, I'm not saying any words. I'm just going to show it and move on.
That card is empty. Oh yeah, I was sleep good tonight, boys. Oh man.
I better sleep good tonight. I am feeling it now, dude.
Yeah.
We got here, first time we got here today.
11 a.m.
Yeah, dude, was
Left at noon, came back.
Was over 14 hours ago.
Yeah. 4.
A Jordan Groshans, Bowman Scouts top 100 autograph out of 50. All right, last one coming up. I'm gonna fall asleep before I hit the pillow tonight.
Yeah, dude, me too, man. I mean, like, I'm really
Yeah.
tired.
Joe Genord, first Bowman base auto. Speckle is Clark Schmidt at 299. I feel like I just drove to Chicago. That was a long day too.
Yeah.
Almost as long as this day. But at least Lane didn't drive us today. We're just sitting here in the safety.
Yeah.
I don't even want to think about that, man. That was crazy. It's like denying it too.
Yeah.
Blue paper to 150 Joe Adele. Wasn't going that fast. It shows you're not paying attention.
Yeah. Oh man.
Lane fits right in Florida though.
Oh yeah.
All gas and brakes. There's no idling, there's no cruising. It's all gas, all brakes. That's how everybody drives around here.
God, I couldn't believe it, man. I'm like looking it over. I'm like, holy cow, dude. And he's this.
Whit Chrome.
Da 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 da. All right, I'm gonna say something here. I'm gonna break the ice a little bit, a little joke. Crack a little joke.
I thought it was just gonna be like a one-time thing, so I stopped kind of like watching it so much. I was like, oh, he got up to like 87. Like, okay, that's pretty damn fast.
Yeah.
For Kentucky.
I looked over, it was like 91. Like we're in like a 65 mile an hour zone.
Lane would have gotten like arrested.
Yeah.
Like you can't go that fast through those states. It's like an automatic reckless, like automatic.
Oh yeah. Oh, it was so good.
Then we were legit. He did not drive a single tenth of a mile on the way back. Not at all.
Touch the wheel.
No. And we're alive today because of that. Rookie purple paper, Bobby Bradley, the 250.
Amen. Amen.
Probably.
Yeah, who knows?
Can't chance it.
No. Oh, that was funny.
That's all we talked about the National. That's all we talked about.
Yeah.
He was number 1 on the national trash list.
Yeah.
Rookie auto is Gavin Lux. Base rookie auto, Gavin Lux. So Bowman Chrome comes out next Wednesday, y'all. Next Wednesday is Bowman Chrome. Got those legend first Bowmans. I feel like Roberto Clemente first Bowmans in there. And refractor auto, Luis Patino to 499. And refractor is Ronnie Mauricio to 499. Do this quick recap. Thanks again, Jeffrey. So numbered cards, there was Chrome Stott to 499, refractor Schmidt to 299, Ronaldo Hernandez to 250, Atomic Miguel Amaya, Blue Shane Baz to 150, Aqua Shimmer Daz Cameron to 125, Trammell to 125, Autos Patino to 499, Gavin Lux, Joe Genord, Jordan Groshans to 50, Jackson Rutledge, Lindsey Delgado, Luis Patino, Amaya to 499, Speckled Joe Ryan to 299, a Bramer to 299, Dillard to 350, and then the Gold Shimmer Jeremy Pena. Appreciate it, man. That's numbered 47 of 50. Get it right out to you.